Hey Randall, you've done so much for our channel. I just really appreciate it, and I thought we're here today at your house. You said you had some stuff that you needed to clean up. So
I got some sprouts growing up.
Yeah.
Lack of care.
Yeah, well, it happens, right? And so you got something here we need to dig out maybe?
Yeah. We tried to pull them with a 3320 and a chain, and that wasn't quite enough. There's the holes there for ruts, so we made trying to pull on it.
Yeah, well, you never know. We might be able to even get that out with the grapple. It looks like something I could grab with the grapple. What else do we have?
A couple more sprouts down here.
Okay.
That are...
One of them looked really close to the house. We may have to use chainsaw for that one. It looks like the one out there we might be able to dig out.
Yeah.
I don't know. We may have to use chainsaw for both of them. We'll see how it goes.
Yeah.
Need to trim your bushes, but I don't know that that's on the agenda for today.
Yeah, probably not. Close. It moved it. There it comes.
I'll put them out in the field. Get the whole batch of that.
It's kind of rough. That hadn't got any more attention since you guys left. Yeah. There you go. There you go. You got her now.
This always happens to me.
The stump went around backwards. I think if you can get back there and hook it now, you'll be able to dig it out.
This tree out of my head.
Oh yeah.
I need my thumb, Christy.
Yeah.
If you haven't been keeping up with our channel, we have a hydraulic thumb now on our 260B backhoe for our 1025R.
That'll let your nice tree grow in there.
Yeah, that'll be better.
Give it some space to grow.
Looks like I may need to do some more trimming on this guy. It's kind of shading him.
Now, we had a nasty root here on this one that I was having trouble getting out.
It's a little far. There you go.
Okay, you want to clean them out with the grapple?
I have them.
This is the second time we've been to Randall's house to help him with a project. The first time we helped him run that city water line that he's running over right now. Sometime we need to get back down there and smooth that out for him. It's settled now. Just to clear up any confusion, Randall is my nephew. He helps my brother Tom and my dad Ray on the farm there.
All I did was make a mess that time, didn't I?
That's fine. I mean, that'll settle down pretty good in there. That'll be fine. He really liked this little bush. I don't know what kind of bush this is. Some of you guys on video may be able to show me what kind of a bush or tree this is. I've seen it before, I just don't know what it is. But he really liked it, and I think getting that other one out of the way will allow it to grow better.
Beautiful hinge.
Amber.
That mimosa ought to be soft. That's mimosa. Watch out! Okay.
Look at that. The camera lady never even flinched.
Beautiful.
I think I positioned myself pretty well.
Yeah, I think you did too. I'm impressed. Yeah.
Who needs a grapple when you have Randall?
Like most projects, this one's expanding. Got this dead mimosa tree here we're going to try to get out of here at the same time. I'm wondering if this little saw is up to it. Okay, I don't have very good escape route.
Well,
Tell you what, why don't you just step back?
Beautiful.
Start hauling, big guy. Lots of hauling. That's pretty good.
Need the stump grinder.
Yep,
Burn her on.
it's ready for the stump grinder now.
It's amazing how much work we save by being able to pick up those big long logs and haul them off to the woods. It takes a long time to saw up and pick up a bunch of small pieces by hand. Randall will put these back in his woods and they'll rot down pretty quickly actually. They're pretty rotten now.
Can't do that with a single grapple.
Nothing against a single grapple, but when it comes to picking up odd stuff like this, limbs and brush, you just have a much better opportunity to get it when you've got two semi-independent clamps clamping down on that uneven load. There you go. Good job.
approach to that.
From this
Dump
side.
this on top.
Yep, then drive in from this side. You want to be in the center of the weight.
Yeah, I know, but where is that? This mile.
Not necessarily the center of the pile, but the center of the weight.
Right. Where is that this mile?
This way. These big stumps that have the same gun.
One of the rules I'm learning with the Grapple, any style by the way, is that if you get a pretty good load, you probably ought to just take that load and be happy. When I get a bit greedy and turn loose of a load and try to grab it a little differently and get a little better hold on it, I end up losing what I had, and well, it's just a waste of time. We sort of see that here. Although Randall does a good job of getting most all the brush in this pass, he just loses the stumps.
Randall, I think it looks a lot better here.
I think we helped it.
Yeah. How many trips do you think you made back to the woods?
I should have counted.
Yeah.
I didn't count. It was, what, 6 or 7 probably, wasn't it?
More than that.
Yeah, I
more
think
than
it was a lot more than that. You know how it is. You get driving the tractor and time just goes, you know?
It wasn't that bad. I got me a road made now.
Okay.
I have to fix it.
Another project. You know, there's probably a few more things we can do around here, but
Made good headway today.
yeah, that's good. Hey guys, thanks for watching. And hopefully spring's coming soon and we won't have to be in these big clothes. You know, look, I must be the only one not working.
Hey, March winds. It's March.
Yeah?
March winds.
And it's definitely windy.
Bring up April showers.
Here we go.
Resident weatherman right here on the scene. Thanks for watching, everybody. We'll see you next time on Tractor Time with Tim.
How's your grapple work? Like it's supposed to.